We are here in Kiamwili anti-gravity site, where nature provides gravity. Can you tell us the story about this Kiamwili?
Hapa zamani paliishi majamaa wawili, Chalo na Mili, lakini walikuwa twin brothers, lakini walikuwa wameoa wawili. Kimaliza wiki kitu kwa Chalo, lakini walikaa kwa miezi kadhaa wakazaa mtoto. Hadi walizaa mtoto alikuwa wa kiume, vita walianza kupigania ndani ya lakini walisema wazee ndio walikuja kuamua, wakasema
vitu zinafanyika pale. Kwa hivyo ni kama ili kitamaduni
mahali watu walizikwa, ndio gari zinaelekea pande ya kwake, pikipiki na pia maji ikimwagwa huwa inaenda pande ya kwake.
Sasa kwa mwili ni pande gani?
Kwa mwili ni pande ile, pande ya juu. Na
kwa Chalo?
Kwa Chalo ni pande hii ya chini.
Kwa hivyo walikuwa Chalo na mwili walikuwa
wameoa mmoja kimaliza pilipili kwa Chalo anaenda kwa mwingine. Lakini wakazaa kijana Kamau na Mwende, lakini walifutania hata ile jina gani, lakini wazee walikaa kwa miezi kadhaa. Ule bibi akaaga akasigwa hapa katikati, wakakaa mwili wakaaga akasigwa pande ile na Chalo akasigwa pande ile. Kwa hivyo kama wakamba tunasema wanafutania huko bibi.
Kwa hivyo hapa mali nature iko hapa anti-gravity. Nyinyi mnaamini ni kama wanavutania nini kulingana na kitamaduni?
Lakini Mwende aliolewa huko Lugena na akaambia ndugu yake kama wauze hii shamba ndio ategee huko Lugena, huko kwa sio Mungu. Anaishi huko, ni mzee sana.
Can you explain to us? Stand here in English. That's what to explain.
Okay. Now, welcome to Mwilo. My name is Nicholas, and this is where nature defies gravity. Now, this place, when we pour water, instead of going downwards, it starts flowing upwards. Then, there is two reasons why that effect occurs here. There is scientific and traditional belief. Now, this place, when you see, this is Tamilo. Tamilo is a combination of two names. There were Chalo and Milo. There were two twins brothers. Now, when they come, Chalo was living to that place down place, and Milo was the upper in there. Now, what they made, funny enough, they married one lady, and they were sharing that lady. When she spends 1 week to the Chalos, another 1 week to Milos. Now, by the end of the effect, they were blessed with one son, and that one son, those two guys, instead of talking conversation, they were
there was a disagreement
between them. Now, Chalo, he was saying the baby is mine, and Milo always says the baby is mine. Now there was bad conversation, and when the grandfather sat down, they make a good decision. They said, who will call the baby a name, and the baby will be the owner of the baby. Now Milo calls the baby Kitaba Mutua, but Mutua, he was not good by that name. She was crying, not comfortable by that name. But Milo, when he calls the baby, baby was relaxed, and instead of crying, he was comforted. Now, we believe in traditionally,
in Kamba tradition.
In Kamba tradition, we believe Chalo was not the owner of the baby. That's why the things are all the things going smoothly
Instead of going,
and even you see that is down. Instead of things going down, they start
according to culture.
According to culture. And there is a
Scientific reason.
yeah, who discovered the place. He was known as John Moto.
John Moto.
Yeah, he was a road constructor. Now, when he reaches to this place, the car overheats. Now, Ali decided to gari pale. Now, when he put the car there, the old school cars, there were no hand brakes. He come out, the car was neutral. He take a stone, put it at the end of the car instead of the car. Now, when he goes to find the water, when he comes, he finds the car has gone by its own from that corner. Yeah. Now, he decided to discover the effect. Now, when he goes, we are coming. Start to check the car. That's why
No problem.
Yeah.
Thank you for the conversation. Let us go and show us the place.
Let's go.
According to Akamba tradition.
Yeah, we believe the traditional.
No, tradition.
We believe the traditional.
And Akamba, you are in Kikamba. You're supposed to marry one lady.
No. There were two twins brothers. And even two twins brothers, they do things the same. Yeah. So they decided to marry one lady.
Yeah. What's the name of the lady?
Mwende.
Mwende.
Yeah. No.
Kaleche.
Mwende was the.
Oh, Kaleche was
He was the woman.
The kid of Kaleche. Yeah. Let's go and see where nature defies gravity. African culture get talking when Machakos County.
Yeah, Machakos tourism.
What's up? This is
where nature defies gravity. Now, when you pour water, instead of going to the normal way, it starts flowing upwards. Now we are demonstrating now.
This is where nature
defies gravity. Now, even you see, the water is flowing upwards instead of going down.
So this where we Akamba people believe what?
We believe in Chalon and Milo.
Chalon and Milo.
Yeah.
So who is the owner of this water right now?
Who was the owner of the baby? Was the Milo. Chalon was not.
The Kamba people believe that the Chalo.
Yeah, he was the owner of the
property. That's why the water
is flowing upwards to the channels. And the Milo's place.
And according to scientific,
who discovered the place, he was known as John Moto. Now John Moto, he was the owner, he was the person who discovered the place.
Road constructor.
Yeah, he was a road constructor. Now, one day...
See the water?
Yeah, see the water. Now, I will try to push the round bottle. I'm trying to push the bottle, but the bottle...
You see the water? The water is flowing upward.
This place, we are trying to put the bottle downwards. Instead of going down, it starts rolling upwards. That's that. We will do the demonstration now.
Right. You say it's called disobedience?
Disobedience, Newton's law of gravity.
Disobedience?
Disobedience. Newton's law of gravity.
Oh, disobedience.
Newton's
law of gravity.
Now, we are trying to do some demonstration now here.
coming with force. It's coming with force.
Yeah. Now the boat is rolling upwards instead of going downwards. Okay. Even I will try to push it. I will try to push it. But it's rolling upwards. Disobedience,
neutral law of gravity.
That's why the things are going opposite side instead of going normal way. Yeah. You see? The boat was rolling upwards instead of going downwards. You see? It's rolling upwards. Eighth wonder of the world. Yeah. Have you seen? Seen to believe in.
Yes.
Yeah.
You believe.
Wacha iende.
Gari.
Achana na gari, si anaona tuko kazi.
Si ameona tuko kazi. Wacha gari ipite. Have you seen? Seen to believe it.
8 wonders of the world.
8th wonder of the world. Now the bottle is rolling upwards. Even you can see this is up here. This is down. But the bottle is rolling upwards. How wonder is this? In Japan. Hey. Have you seen?
This is a culture tour.
Culture tour, no. Cha Mwilo.
Chalo na Mwilo.
Yeah. Chalo was living in that place. Now the bottle is going to Mwilo's place. To Mwilo's place. Yeah.
So this is part of
Mwilo was the owner of the baby. That's why he was. Yeah.
He has a lot of power.
He has a lot of power. Yeah. Now I will push. Itaenda mpaka huko. Hapa kuna mahali umeona inapeleka sana.
Force of gravity.
Disobedience to law of gravity.
Disobedience neutral law of gravity.
Yeah.
Where nature defines gravity.
Yeah. Now, because this is rough, we can use the center place of the effect.
You say these 8 wonders of the world.
8 wonders of the world.
8 wonders of the world. Come and see here.
Unasikia upepo unatoka huko. So wewe kama ni upepo unasukuma.
Oh, upepo unatoka huko. Can you say something? Unaweza sema kitu kwa watalii wengi wanapenda kuja hapa Kenya?
Watalii wanapenda kuja hapa Kenya, wakuje kwa wingi ndio waone hii mambo, ndio wafurahie, wakuje kwa wingi.
What's your opinion and your last word to the people who wanted to visit Kiamili, because this is supposed to be a cultural center?
Yeah, welcome. And when we are using the Kangundo Road, just stop to the Chamwilo place. Even you will see the water, instead of flowing downwards, it's flowing upwards. Welcome.
African Culture Ghetto King, welcome all the people around the world to come and visit 8 wonders of the world here at Kiamili, Machakos County. Asanteni sana. Where nature defies gravity. Asante sana na Mungu awabariki. Asante sana.